Meaning of faultlessly.
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 Faultlessly. Faultlessly means without any mistake, error, or flaw. If something is done faultlessly, it means it is done perfectly without any issues. The result of doing something faultlessly is that the outcome is of very high quality and meets all the requirements without any errors or defects. It can be used to describe anything that is done precisely and accurately, such as an expertly crafted piece of art or a flawless performance in sports. Doing something faultlessly requires great attention to detail and a high level of skill and expertise.